sacred. Everything exposed, every meal, every feeling, every secret disclosed. Location posted instantly for strangers to see. We sacrifice privacy for digital currency. Every move recorded, edited, uploaded fast. Living for reactions that have been something that lasts. Some go live for validation, desperate to be seen. Confusing self-expression with desperate need for a screen. We were meant to build families, communities, and trust. Now we measure our value by followers and lust. We know what is right, yet we choose what is loud. Searching for approval from a virtual crowd. Social media madness is consuming the mind. A generation distracted while the truth falls behind. Peace and love are spoken but rarely displayed. Integrity sacrificed for a trend that will fade. Social media madness, illusion disguised. Perfected in filters but empty inside. The world is not broken, it's the choices we make. And a nation divided will eventually break. Even those who claim wisdom glorify the wrong. Celebrating violence just to feel strong. But strength is restraint and discipline too. Not everything supposed to reflect who you are or what you do. Real leadership is quiet, steady and firm. Not performance-based outrage waiting for a return. We preach about values yet ignore what we teach. Posting inspiration for quotes we never actually reach. Artists chase attention instead of perfecting their craft. More focused on trending than building something that lasts. Respect is fading, pride growing thin. When appearance outweighs a character within. When did we stop speaking face to face? When did emotion become a public display? Why do we expose what should be protected and call it freedom when it leaves us disconnected? Social media is not evil by design. It simply reveals the condition of the mind. And social media madness pulling hearts apart. We are losing conversation, we are losing heart. Grown men know right from wrong, yet still we drift along. The world is sinking slowly like sand beneath our feet, while we compete for applause in a digital street. Peace and love are actions, not words we repeat. And wisdom is louder when we choose to be discreet. Oh, the problem is not the platform, it's the discipline we lack. Log off the noise for a moment and bring real connection back.